left forward, you can see what happens. Market goes down. Now when it reaches a 1-to-1 like here, hey you my traders, thank you for clicking on this video. Now you've been asking me questions concerning the one candlestick strategy. Now this one is going to be on both a buy and a sell example. I hope this will explain to some of you who did not understand how to trade the one candlestick strategy. This video will settle some of your questions that you've asked me in the comment section of the previous videos. So without wasting time guys, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, like the video, and let's get started. Let's go onto the screen now and I'll show you how to do this very easily. Please watch this video from the beginning to the end and don't skip it, okay? Don't skip and ask questions where you don't understand. So let's go onto the screen now and I'll show you how to trade the one candlestick strategy. Let's go now guys. So here we are looking at two versions, right? We are looking at a sell version and we're looking at a buy version. Both of these have just inverted properties. They all do the same or they work the same, but they're just inverted. All right. So I'll explain to you what this means. For a sell, you want to wait for the market to be creating a downtrend. It has to be a downtrending market. Don't trade this when it is an uptrending market. And for an uptrending market, make sure the market is creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows before you can be able to make a bullish setup. So for a bearish setup, wait for a bearish trending market. And for a bullish setup, wait for a bullish trending setup, right? So here you want to mark on a bearish candle, you want to mark the candle that has closed. Guys, you asked me, should we mark the candle that is still open? No. Wait for the candle to close. Whether it is a daily candle, 4-hour candle, weekly candle, whatever candle that you're trading the one candlestick strategy on, make sure the candle has closed. For the bearish candle, mark its high and its close where the price closed the previous day. That is for this example we're using for the previous day. And then mark the area between them with the purple or any other color, just to demarcate the zone where you're going to be trading from. Okay, so here what you want to do now on lower time frames is you wait for the market to pull back into that purple zone or just near the purple zone, right? Or just create a rejection near the purple zone for you to take your sell entries here, right? If you want to know a whole breakdown on how to draw this, go and watch the full candlestick strategy course that I'll leave at the end of this video. I'll link it at the end of this video, or click the description of this video. You'll see a link there for you to watch the whole video, full course. It's about 1.5 hours, right? So that is what you do for a bearish setup. So this is what you do. Then you look for your sells within this area here, and then your stop loss can be within previous areas of structure around that area. Okay, for a buy setup, you want to wait for the market to be trending up, creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Okay, and then you want to mark the candle that has closed, whether it is a daily candle, weekly candle, 4-hour candle, 1-hour candle. When you're scalping, make sure the candle you're marking is the most recent closed candle. This other candle here is the one which is open right now and it's printing. Okay, so mark the one which is closed. So this is a daily candle, and we mark the close which is up here, and we mark the low of the bullish candle. Then we put a purple zone in between those lines. Okay, so you want to trade only when the market has pulled back into these purple zones or just near it, and then you look for entries to go long. Okay, so I don't want to make the video too long because all this that you're seeing here, I explain it in the full course. You'll see the link at the end of this video or in the description of this video. All right guys, if you're finding value with the video, before we continue, please click the subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends so that they can also benefit. Also go and join the free Telegram Signals channel. The link is in the description. If you want to join the VIP members, send me a WhatsApp using the contact in the description of this video. So let's continue with the video guys. So guys, here we are on the NZD USD chart. Okay, this is a daily chart. So we are marking this candle here, the previous candle which has closed, this one which has closed. Okay, before this other candle opens, we are marking this one, right? This is the candle we are marking. So we've marked it a high and it's close, and we put a purple zone in between those red lines. Okay, so now we want to go and use a bar replay. Okay, a bar replay tool right here. Okay, so after I've done this, I'm going to go down to I'll go down to the 15-minute chart. Okay, then we'll come back to that same area and see. Okay, so on the 15-minute chart, you can see that where the purple zone is, that is where we are going to take our trades from when the market pulls back into that. All right, so let me just put the play tool here so that we can start the playback from there. Okay, we are waiting for the market to pull back up to do something like this because we are selling. This is a bearish market. We want the market to pull back anywhere inside here, and then we look for sells from there. Okay, I'm not showing you a path that the market is going to take, but make sure you wait for the market to pull back inside of that purple zone or just near it and reject it and give you some kind of patterns for you to jump in on a trade. So here we are going to play back now. Let's play back and see. Okay, so but before we go forward, make sure that when you're trading this during London session or New York session, depending on which pair you're trading. If you're trading like the Asian pairs, GBP JPY, AUD JPY, NZD JPY, or AUD JPY, those pairs with the Japanese yen or Australian dollar, you can trade this strategy during the Asian session because you'll have more volume. But now here we are trading NZD USD, so we'll look for trades during London or New York session. So let's play forward. Market has pulled back into the purple zone right there, you can see, but this is 4:45 a.m. I can't trade this because London is not yet open. Okay, so we play forward. Market has broken down below the purple zone. Wait for it, be patient, don't jump into a trade. Wait for it to come back into the purple zone, then you look for trades in there. All right, I know some of you will say, oh, the market has gone right there. You see, now if you're patient, this is where you're now going to wait. Market has come into the purple zone, so let's see what happens. It has printed another bearish candle out of the purple zone. Now let's wait for another candle to print so that we have, there you have it. Okay, so we have here 1, 2, 3 black cross. We have 3 black cross. 3 black cross is a bearish pattern, so we can enter there without hesitation. Enter when that candle closes. We put a stop loss there, and then we put a take profit at these lows, previous lows. Okay, now the entry criteria I'm looking at here is the 3 black cross, and also you can see that there is a double top that was formed here and here. Okay, that is a double top formation within the purple zone. You can see, let me just make this color like white. Okay, so that's a double top. That is also a confluence or a confirmation for you to enter within the purple zone. So at the close of the 3rd candle, that's where I place my trade. Let me play forward. You can see what happens. Market goes down. Now when it reaches a 1-to-1 like here, I am going to start trailing my stop. I put my stop loss just up here to secure profit, and then we play down. Okay, you can see this is where the market closed for this week. This is where it has closed, but you can see that this trade is still going to run next week into profit. All right, so this is for NZD USD. Now let me show you guys a buy on a buying market like USD CAD. I'll show you that because USD CAD is trending up and NZD USD is trending down. So let me show you on USD CAD. Okay, so USD CAD, we are here on USD CAD. I'm going to just mark this candle's high, this candle's close, and I'm going to mark this candle's low. Okay, so this area in between here, the purple area is, or this white area here, which is white now, because, okay, let's change it back to purple. That area is where I'm going to look for entries. So let's just do a replay around here. Okay, so that we can be able to see what happens. Right, go to the 15 minutes chart. Right, so this is on USD CAD 15 minutes chart. Now we are waiting for market to come back into the purple zone. Can I adjust the purple zone? like this, just to fit between the red lines. So you want to wait for the market to come back into the purple zone or near it. Doesn't have to come down like this. No, it can just come near it, just near, and reject, then go up. It's okay. Even if the market just comes back, like goes up like this, and then comes back into the purple zone slightly and spikes up like this, still you can look for entries around there. Okay, doesn't have to come so deep inside. So let's play this forward. Let me just get the replay tool, put it here so that we can replay from there. Okay, so let's now replay and see what happens. Okay, market pushes into the purple zone, but that is not London session or New York. So wait, let me play forward. Okay, wait, don't enter trade, wait for the market to come back near the purple zone. Now here we are in the London session going into New York. Okay, so market is going up now. That is New York session. I know some of you will say, oh, the market has left you, so you jump into a trade because of FOMO. That is how you get caught up in bad trades. So here now the market is pulling back. You can see market has spiked into the purple zone. So now here you're going to get ready to look for confirmations for a bullish run. Okay, so we are going to wait. You can see here market rejects the purple zone, gives us one green candle, second green candle right here. That can be your confirmation to enter a trade. Okay, but for me, after this rejection and I see these 1, 2 green candles, I could enter my trade right here. Okay, and my stop loss can be below this wick here. Okay, and then I can take a trade. But just to be sure, what I want you to do when you see this scenario happening here, okay, make sure you wait for the market to break above this candle that spiked into the purple zone. Wait for a candle to close above that candle there. Okay, don't just enter here. Wait for a candle to close above that candle that spiked into the purple zone for you to confirm that the market is gaining bullish momentum. Okay, so let's play forward. We see if there's a candle that closes above there, then we will be able to. Okay, now this candle has closed above this. This is showing us that there is momentum. We can take a buy here. Okay, stop loss below this wick here, so that is safer. Give it breathing room, breathing space, and then we'll push this up for a 1 to 2. Okay, 1 to 2 like this, right? Now let's play this forward. We see how this plays out. You can see, okay, there what I do, I will push my stop loss there to secure some profit, and then you can see market is going up. Now this is where the market has closed for this week. Next week the market should continue to take profit. Guys, that is the video I wanted to record for you guys to show you how you can implement the one candlestick strategy. Go and practice and use this, and you will see your life changing. So many people have seen this strategy to work for them, and they've backtested, they've used it on live accounts, and they've profited. So what are you waiting for? Go and use it to profit and change your life. Thank you guys for your support. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave your comments down below, and also go and use the links in the description. You'll benefit from some of those services. Thank you guys. Until next time, peace and out.